Welcome to another informative video on maintenance strategies. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we are going to explore and compare two vital strategies in the world of maintenance: preventive maintenance and breakdown maintenance. You will learn how these approaches aim to maintain and repair equipment in unique ways. We'll also discuss what sets them apart and how they can be effectively applied in various situations. So, whether you're part of a maintenance team or an operations team, this video is designed to equip you with key insights to help make your tasks easier and more effective. Let's get started. So, what sets preventive maintenance apart from breakdown maintenance? Well, preventive maintenance is all about identifying issues before equipment failure or downtime. This is achieved through routinely scheduled maintenance. On the other hand, breakdown maintenance operates by running equipment until it breaks down and then performing repairs and maintenance. Preventive maintenance works on a schedule, with maintenance tasks being completed at specific intervals before downtime events. The goal here is to maximize the lifespan and runtime of equipment. Breakdown maintenance, however, is a bit more specific. It's not applicable to many pieces of equipment. For instance, it's not a suitable maintenance strategy for anything involved in human safety and health, nor is it a good strategy for critical or central pieces of equipment. But it does work well with things that are designed to be used until they're inoperable. This can include everything from light bulbs to residential water heaters. Let's take a water heater, for example. Even though a water heater may be considered a critical piece of equipment, the time spent on preventive maintenance, which includes disrupting the resident every few months, is probably more intrusive than fixing a broken system every decade or so. This shows that breakdown maintenance is applicable for critical pieces of equipment in certain cases, especially in the property management space. On the flip side, preventive maintenance is a solid plan for almost all pieces of equipment in a factory setting. In a residential setting, though, it only makes sense to perform preventive maintenance on equipment in non-living areas. Let's look at some use cases. Imagine an organization wants to decrease unplanned downtime and emergency maintenance, but does not have a large maintenance budget. As a solution, they implement a preventive maintenance program for select assets. Work orders are scheduled for inspections, lubrication, filter replacements, and parts replacements based on recommendations from original equipment manufacturers. On the other hand, consider an organization that wants to lower the cost of constantly replacing a variety of light bulbs in a facility. Instead of replacing them at designated intervals, the organization decides to adopt a breakdown maintenance plan, only replacing light bulbs when they are completely burned out. This saves time and reduces the overall cost of buying light bulbs as the necessary amount of spares is lower. So, whether you're leaning towards preventive maintenance or breakdown maintenance, it's clear that both strategies have their unique benefits and drawbacks. The key is to understand your organization's needs and resources, and choose the strategy that best aligns with them. And that brings us to the end of our discussion on preventive maintenance and breakdown maintenance. We've covered how these two strategies work, their pros and cons, and how they can be effectively applied in various situations. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our future content. For more insights and resources, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.